All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Here it is, the Cream Z Fold 8. My wife just got this in and she got the 1 TB version. And she actually traded in. She was one of those people who said, you know what, I'm done with my S26 Ultra. I'll take that 1,200 bucks. Because this 1 TB one is very expensive, folks. I think it's like 2,700 or something like that. I'm not sure. You have to double check. But it's the most expensive one. So she was like, I'm going to go ahead and take the $1,200 credit and I'll give up my silver, the Samsung color, the silver one of the S26 Ultra. And I was like, wow, I'll go for it, but I'm keeping my Ultra. And I just want to show it to you here. Now, I just installed a matte glass. She likes matte. She didn't want to use the anti-reflective. And here it is next to the anti-reflective on what it looks like on my phone. You can see the difference here. Keeps unlocking my face. There you go. You can see that how it looks. The matte is always going to give better because it's matte. Again, this is brand new. She hasn't even set it up yet. I wanted to show it to you next to Pistachio because, man, this is a beautiful color. It's cream, but it's actually just a real frosted white color. But yeah, she put on a matte, I just put on a matte screen protector for her and those bubbles will go away. We know how that goes, 24 hours. But using a matte glass, it's pretty nice. But the difference is, you know, you can kind of see the borders on there and you can see the borders on here, but the glass is raised up. So you know it's a tempered glass on there and it's going to be case friendly. So just for kicks here, let me try on my case here from D brand. Let's see how this will work. Oh yeah, it's definitely case friendly. Yeah, and I use the cage that comes with this screen protector right here. So yeah, it's case friendly. It's case friendly. So yeah, that works good. And the adhesive is strong on there. But yeah, man, here it is, the cream versus the, and I just wanted to show you this real briefly, versus the Pistachio. I like these are the colors that, you know, I was choosing between, but this color is absolutely beautiful in person. Both of these are great in person. I just think the Pistachio is top notch. And cream would have been my second choice if I were going to go with one of these. They stand up. Isn't that crazy? How flat and industrial these phones are. And we both have camera module protectors on there. The first thing she did was put her camera module protector on there. And she's, hey, put my matte tempered glass on there for me. So, but there it is, man. Just a quick look, really brief, real quick. The cream Z Fold 8 is here, and I'll show you some other cases as well, because she had like $200 in credits, and so she got the Pistachio silicone case, and she also got that that silicone case is like 65 bucks or something like that, and it's only for the back, which is crazy. And then she got that $110 carbon fiber case as well, and I'll show you both of those, man. But anyway, it's your man Jay. Quick video, cream and Pistachio. Which one is your favorite?